Hi everyone, my name is Akshay and you're watching Tech Binders. So here we are having a very good, a premium quality studio type headphone from a company known as Oneodio. So here we are having the Studio Pro headphones. So if you want a really good headphone in terms of sound quality, in terms of comfortability and with studio grade performance, definitely these ones are for you. So let's unbox these studio grade headphones and let's talk more about their performance. Here are some of the detailed specification of these headphones. So this one is having like frequency response from 20 to 20 kilohertz. So these are having a speaker of 50 mm neodymium drivers. So these are having two type of plug. So these are having 3.5 mm as well as 6.35 stereo jack, impedance of 32 ohm and sensitivity of 110 plus minus 3 dB. Talking about the contents, so yeah, the content description given, which we will see in a couple of seconds. Okay, really looks great from the box. Let's see how good these are going to be from the inside. Boom, here they are. So here are these funky headphones from Oneodio. Wow, they're really of great quality. So I can say that these are made of premium quality. It's a premium leather finish design, you can see, with red stitching, which really makes it very awesome and like of very premium quality. Wow, the cushioning is really very great on these ear cups. You can see that these are like having the same red style stitching and also very good comfortable memory foam is there. Now talking about the headrest, here we are having the cushioning very well on the headrest also, and also the same the leather finishes followed here and is also very comfortable. Wow. Keeping it aside, here we are having the premium quality pouch. So if you want to carry it, definitely you can put in them and carry it. Also we are having this aux cable with 3.5 mm jack. Here we are having a 6.32 studio jack. So if you want to plug it somewhere, definitely you can go to that. Okay, and apart from that, here we are having a user manual guide. So this is a really good detailed user manual guide, and if you are purchasing these headphones, definitely go and read this user manual guide. Apart from that, we are having this Amazon the power of music card. So they are having a very pretty tagline. So these are having 24 months warranty. If you register them and make a review on Amazon, you're gonna get like almost 24 months of warranty. That's really great. Apart from, they are also having this charity. So they are doing a charity of $1 if you purchase these headphones. So every tiny part of this headphone is taken care of and made with very good high quality material. Let's say this civilian design. Oh, this foldable cups, it's very small in size. You can definitely put inside your backpack. Really like this form factor, and also the cushioning is very great. And let me remind you, these are over the ear headphones, not on the ear headphones. So these are going to be very comfortable on your ears with this memory foam. So these are having this gold plated 3.5 mm jack, as you can see on your screen. Now let's connect to with our phone and let's have some music test and see the button functionality. Now talking about the play and pause, works really great on these headphones. Wow. So these are having single button minimalistic design. If you double tap the multifunction button, if you click it for 2 times, boom, you will be in the next track. So that part is really great, and there is no way to go to the previous track. So if you are holding the multifunction button for more than a second, what is the temperature, you can call your voice assistant and boom, it really works great. Even these are like 1 meter away from my mouth, and still they picked my voice very clearly and shown the result accordingly. So that part is really great on these headphones. So definitely you can record stereo sound by using this microphone. Okay, even you can do calls by using this microphone, and definitely these headphones have passed in our button test. The comfortability of these headphones, these are really very comfortable on your ears. These are having this memory foams and head cushioning, which are really very comfortable. The build quality is really solid, and They are having the noise isolation very good. So these are closed looped over the ear headphones. So they provide you 70 to 80% of noise isolation, which is really great. I'm talking about the passive, not the active noise cancellation, and these are not having the active noise cancellation. Also, when you talk about the fitting is really great. They perfectly fit on your ears and give you the isolation, which is really very great. So now also when we talk about the sound quality is really great. So these are having very good frequency separation, and low and mids are really very great, and even high works really great. So if you really require a studio grade headphones, definitely these ones are worth for you. And these are wired ones, not wireless ones. So if you're looking for something like a wireless earphone and also that too in budget, there's a great list of wireless headphones and earphones. I've done the unboxing in the past. You can go and check out the playlist. Also, you can fold these headphones and keep it in your backpack, and wow, this is really of the form factor, and the build quality, the material used to make this one is really great, and also comes with civilian design and also 180-degree rotatable head cups. So functionality wise, it's really great. So there is a little bit of problem with these headphones. A little bit of bleeding is there, as can be seen in all the headphones. So whether it's a closed loop or open loop, there's a little bit of bleeding which can also be seen on this. So now for whom these headphones are. So if you're having a YouTube channel, if you're a musician, if you're running a studio who needs a studio headphone, these ones are for you. In terms of sound quality, in terms of isolation, and in terms of fitting, I think these are really pretty great. So definitely gonna love it when these are on the ears or maybe over the ears, because these are over the ear headphones. So the Best Buy links will be in the description from where you can purchase these headphones, and definitely a highly recommended product in such a budget from a company known as Oneodio. So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the content. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications whenever I upload such new videos on my channel. Also, there are multiple giveaways live on my channel. If you have not yet participated, go and participate. The links for them too also will be in the description. Go and have a look into it. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Akshay signing off, and catch you in the next video.